Do you know that you can make over 3 million naira on a monthly basis and over 36 million naira on a yearly basis when you put out your 2-bedroom apartment for shortlet purpose right here in the heart of Chevron? Let's run the maths. A 2-bedroom apartment goes for, on average, 150,000 naira per day, and then we have 30 days in a month. Let's say you have bookings of 20 days minimum. Multiply 20 by 150, that is 3 million naira, and multiplied by 12 months in a year, that is 36 million naira minimum, and you still get to keep your 2-bedroom apartment right here. Today I welcome you to our newly relaunched project right here in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now we have amazing features for you right here at this 11 unit of 2 and 3-bedroom apartment in the heart of Chevron. We have the gym area on the ground floor, a rooftop swimming pool, and a rooftop lounge on the last floor. Now, if you want to go for your 3-bedroom, it's completely sold out. We have just 2-bedroom apartment to be sold right here, and we're just putting in the market just 2 units. Now, it's still very much more affordable, still below the market price, going at the selling rate of 120 million naira right now. Now, guess what? There is a payment plan for you up to 9 good months. With as low as 40 million naira initial deposit, you are good to go, and you are a proud owner of a 2-bedroom apartment right here in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, to get started, it is very simple. Call the number on your screen or click on the WhatsApp link somewhere around this video. Come into our DM. Let's help you secure this available masterpiece, this available affordable property, luxurious property right here in the heart of Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you, and see you in my next video.